Each machine undergoes a rigorous inspection before shipment. This is their dedicated doctor. Every machine shipped worldwide must be thoroughly inspected to ensure it is free from defects. These instruments aren't just for show. They determine whether Amachine is ready for shipment.
主机框架硬料是75335，160×160，主机硬料合格。
Even the core rubber buffers undergo rigorous testing with specialized equipment. Take the core wear-resistant components. For example, each one is tested on site.
机器左右橡胶块全部合格达标。
Precision instruments provide accurate readings, clearly verifying the quality of the high-strength steel. From major components to the smallest screw, every detail is carefully inspected to ensure the machine can withstand years of high-intensity block production. Trusted quality proven worldwide. Choose HF Machinery with confidence.